Hello everyone. So in this video, I will let you know how we can hack a website through the code execution. So the topic is that code execution vulnerability, how we can exploit that, right? So for example, if we are able to execute our command onto the server, then how we can hack that website. So let's start the practical. But before practical, I have already covered one lecture on this topic, code execution vulnerability. So this is the second lecture on this topic, right? So basically we use that to hack our site, to hack our server, or execute our command onto the server. And we can say we have the full control onto the server if we are able to execute our command onto the server, right? So as usual, I have already, you know, I am using two machine here, so I will show you. First is the Kali machine, so this is the attacker machine, and second is the Metasploit 2 machine, so this is the target machine. So why I have run this Metasploit machine? Because this is the my server here local, so that's why if you look here, so I'm able to get this website for the testing purpose. If you enter the IP, so this is the my Metasploit machine IP. If I enter that IP into my Kali Linux machine here, this is the Kali Linux, so you will get there are 5 websites for the testing purpose, so you can test that. And how I install Metasploit, how I configure that, so I have already covered that in my past lecture, so you will also get how I configure this Metasploit. So this is the my Metasploit IP, and I am able to get these 5 websites for the testing. So today I will test on DVWA. First, we set the DVWA security here. I have already set low to medium, because on low I have already covered in past lecture. So today is medium, I have submit, and then there is a tab command execution here. We will see. So this is the website here, right? And now if we close that and open my terminal, so in this terminal I will find my local IP or my Linux IP. So command is ipconfig. If you enter the this command, so you will see my IP is that 192.168.175.28, right? This is the my IP, yeah, this system IP, Kali Linux. If I go to my target machine and if I type here my IP 192.168.175.128, if I submit here, so you will see here I have 3 packet transmit and 3 receive. That means my machine is up, right? So now we will try to get other commands here. So if I type, and I will use hyphen and type pwd. So you can see my command is not execute here. So because the security level is medium, so that's why this command will not execute. So how we can execute? So let's try first on a Kali Linux machine here. So if you see, I will type like for example ls. So you will see there is the list of directory here, and if I type pwd, so it will showcase me the current directory. So there are, I am in root, you can see here. So the mean is that there I have typed two different command, ls and pw, I get the result. But if I try these command on with the one go, so I will use the pipe here, or like I will use first semicolon and pwd. So you can see if I type both command with the semicolon, so I have get the result two commands. First, the second command showing the current directory, and the ls first command showing the list of files, right? But if I use pipe here, so this is the pipe, and type pwd. If you enter here, so I am able to execute only the last command, that is pwd, and it is written a root directory, right? So that's the main thing is pipe. If we are using pipe, so it is executing the last command. So the same process we will follow on to the our target. So let's see, for example, this is the target, and this is my IP, and I am using pipe here and type pwd. So right, if you can look here, so I'm able to get the path like pw directory, and this is returning the result, or we can say this is return the current working directory. This is the directory of this site, right? Now we will create from here a reverse shell which will connect to our target, our attacker machine, right? So let's assume that this is the target machine. Oh, sorry, this is the target website here, and I'm already in my machine, attacker machine. So this is my machine. So first I clear the screen. Sorry, I think CLS work not clear. Let's in this machine, I am assuming someone will try to connect me, right? So I will first I will try to listen port on here, right? So I am listening port here. So I will type the command nc hyphen, or you can say minus pv hyphen l hyphen p, right? And the port number is 8081. So if you see here, the my machine is trying to listening the port 8081. That means someone will try to connect with me through the onto the 8081 port, right? So I'm listening here, and now if you see I'm listening, and now go to your target, right? So this is the target, and I will type the command for the hacking or reversal, right? So if I type the, okay, I will show you into the notepad the command. So this is the notepad, and if I type here, so first is the IP, right? So I'm typing 192. Okay, 192. So this is the command here. You can see here, this is the IP. So I have already showcased you. This command will not execute, and this is the pipe, and here is the main our shell command. So through the website, I will try to connect with this IP, and this IP is the Kali Linux IP, my attacker IP, and this is the port. If I copy that command, if I copy this command and try to execute on here, paste. So I will try on this website, try to connect this IP, and this is the my machine IP Kali Linux, and this is the port. If I submit here, so and you can look also, I am listening here the port. So if I submit here, so you will see, right, I'm able to connect uh, this IP, right? Like the website dvwa is connecting with my machine. And now if I minimize this, so you will see, so I'm able to connect. This is my IP. This IP is connect from the this machine IP, right? This is the website. So now I can use anything here. If I command use the ls command here, so you will see I'm able to list of directory. On this directory there are 3 files. If I try to use pwd, so it will showcase you this is the current directory, right? If I enter and try to ls, you will see, first I type cd dot dot, that means I will go to the back one step and try to find. So this is the list of directory on this folder. If I type pwd enter, so you can also get the current working directory. That means I have fully control of the website server. I can use or I can execute anything from this Linux machine to onto the server, right, onto the website. I can do anything. That means that DVWA website is hacked from this machine. So you can, I think, I hope you are able to understand. I create a reverse shell from the target machine or from the website, and try to connect with my Linux. So I'm able to connect now here, and this Linux machine, this one, is able to hack or is have the control, fully control of that DVWA. So this is all in this lecture. So that's we called execute command vulnerability, right? So on this lecture or on this execute vulnerable, I have already covered one more lecture on my previous video, so please also look at that video. So on that video I have already discussed how we hack a website from the command, right? So this is all, and please subscribe my channel for to learn hacking video, and in next video I will learn or to get another video, so you can hack my channel, or you can subscribe my channel to learn other video, right? So thank you everyone, thank you all.